In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete autofill suggestions in Brave browser. If you've noticed old addresses, names, or form entries popping up when you start typing on websites, this walkthrough will show you how to clear those suggestions quickly and safely. Start by opening your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the icon with 3 horizontal lines to open the main menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to Brave's control panel where all your preferences live. On the left side, select Privacy and Security. This section manages what Brave stores about your browsing and how it protects your data. Inside here, click Clear Browsing Data. You'll see a window with 2 tabs, Basic and Advanced. Switch over to the Advanced tab so you have full control over exactly what gets removed. In the list of data types, find Autofill Form Data. This is the option that includes saved addresses and other form entries that appear as suggestions when you type. Make sure Autofill Form Data is checked. If your goal is only to remove those suggestions, uncheck other items such as browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, and especially passwords and other sign-in data. That way, you keep everything else intact while clearing only the unwanted autofill content. Before you proceed, look at the time range drop-down at the top of this window. Pick how far back you want to delete data. If you want to wipe all autofill suggestions, choose All Time. If you only need to remove recent entries, select a shorter range like Last Hour or Last 7 days. When you're ready, click Delete Data. Depending on how much information is stored, this may take a few moments. When it's done, the window will close or your selections will be cleared, indicating the process is complete. From now on, when you type into a form field on a website, you should no longer see those old autofill suggestions. If you still see something pop up, it might be a site-specific prompt rather than a Brave autofill entry, or it could be coming from an extension. In that case, double-check you had only autofill form data selected and that your chosen time range covered the period when those entries were saved. That's all it takes. You've opened Brave, navigated to Settings, gone into Privacy and Security, opened Clear Browsing Data, switched to Advanced, selected Autofill Form Data, and deleted it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your browser tidy and your form entries up to date.